Good morning children. I hope you all are healthy and safe. Today we will start final term syllabus in English literature, and the first topic for final term is 3-letter CVC words with id and m family words. Let us start with id family words. The sound of I is E and the sound of D is D. When we join these two letters, it becomes id, id, E, D, id. K, id, kid, K, id, kid. When we join letter K to the word id, it becomes kid, kid. Say with me, kid. Kid means a baby of goat. L, id, lid, L, id, lid. When we join letter L to the word id, it becomes lid, lid. Say with me, lid. Lid means a cover on a container which can be removed. H, id, hid, H, id, hid. When we join letter H to the word id, it becomes hid, hid. Say with me, hid. Hid means prevent someone or something from being seen. Let us learn some more id words. B, id, bid, B, id, bid. D, id, did, D, id, did. R, id, rid, R, id, rid. Now read with me. B, id, bid, D, id, did, R, id, rid. Now let us learn the words with im family words. The sound of I is E and the sound of M is M. When we join these two letters, it becomes im, im, E, M, im. D, im, dim, D, im, dim. When we join letter D to the word im, it becomes dim, dim. Say with me, dim. Dim means having a limited amount of light. J, im, jim, J, im, jim. When we join letter J to the word im, it becomes Jim, Jim. Say with me, Jim. Look, he is a boy. His name is Jim. K, im, kim, K, im, kim. When we join letter K to the word im, it becomes Kim, Kim. Say with me, Kim. Look, she is a girl. Her name is Kim. R, im, rim, R, im, rim. When we join letter R to the word im, it becomes rim, rim. Rim is the outer edge of a wheel holding a tire. Now children, take out your English reader book and open page number 40, 40. And we are going to read the words with id family words. Id family words. Okay? So let's start. Now children, you all know what is the sound of I? The sound of I is E. And the sound of D is D. When we join these two letters together, it makes the sound of id. Id. Okay? So let's read the words. First word is B-E-D, bid. B-E-D, bid. D-E-D, did. D-E-D, did. H-E-D, hid. H-E-D, hid. K-E-D, kid. K-E-D, kid. L-E-D, lid. L-E-D, lid. R-E-D, rid. R-E-D, rid. Let's read one more time. B-E-D, bid. D-E-D, did. H-E-D, hid. K-E-D, kid. L-E-D, lid. R-E-D, rid. Bid, did, hid, kid, lid and rid. And these are the pictures of kid, lid and hid. Understood? Now children, open page number 42. 4 to 42, and we will read the words with M family words. M family words. Okay? So let's start. Now children, can you tell me what is the sound of I? Yes, the sound of I is E. And what is the sound of M? Very good. The sound of M is M. When we join these two letters together, it makes the sound of M. M. Okay? So let's read. D-E-M, dim. D-E-M, dim. H-E-M, him. H-E-M, him. J-E-M, Jim. J-E-M, Jim. K-E-M, Kim. K-E-M, Kim. R-E-M, Rim. R-E-M, Rim. Once more. D-E-M, dim. H-E-M, him. J-E-M, Jim. K-E-M, Kim. R-E-M, Rim. Dim, him, Jim, Kim, Rim. So children, practice to read page number 40 and 42 from your reader book. Okay? So children, that's all for today. I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you.